Some players have been experiencing Destiny 2, Plum Error Code, and stating on screen, BattlEye has detected a problem. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Make sure Destiny 2 and third-party application feature compatibility. The error arises when the BattlEye conflicts with a program running on your system. There is a range of software that Bungie discourages running while you are playing Destiny 2. If any of this software is running, you will get the Destiny 2 BattlEye query timeout error with the Plum Error Code. So, you should disable them before launching Destiny 2. Method 2. Restart your system. Whenever you encounter the Plum Error Code error or any game bug, you should restart your PC. Restarting your PC will eliminate any temporary error which is occurring due to the old cookies and cache, or the system's other software is clashing with your gaming software. All of these errors will be eradicated after a simple restart of the PC or any other platform you use. Method 3. Stay update. Ensure that you have the latest Windows update and the latest graphic driver before launching Destiny 2. Bungie suggests that you update the operating system if you get the Plum error, and that's the next thing you should. If there was a major OS update and you did not update, that may cause an issue. Besides that, you should also update your graphic driver. Method 4. Disable the VPN. Another common source of errors found in-game security breaches are virtual private networks. Because VPN applications change your network's location, and anti-cheat software considers them to be suspicious, so this might be a reason triggering the error. Disconnect your VPN before launching the game to resolve the issue. In some cases, it may also be necessary to restart your computer after disconnecting the VPN. Once done, play your game and see if the error is fixed or not. Method 5. Perform a clean boot. First of all, pressing Windows key on your keyboard. Then, type in msconfig and then hit the Enter key. This will open up the system configuration window. There, switch to the Services tab. After that, go ahead and tick the Hide All Microsoft Services checkbox provided. Follow this up by clicking the Disable All button and then click Apply. After doing that, switch to the Startup tab and there click the Open Task Manager option. On the Task Manager window, select all of the apps one by one and then click the Disable button provided at the bottom right corner. Once you have done that, go ahead and restart your PC. After your PC boots up, try launching the game to see if the error code still appears. Method 6. Power cycle your router. Turn off your router first. Next, unplug the router, then unplug the modem. Neither of them have power buttons, so it's a matter of pulling the power cord out of the back of the modem or router. Leave the devices unplugged for 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in followed by the router. Give them both time to boot up and connect by watching the activity lights, usually 1 to 5 minutes. Then check if the game runs.